Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning video. Today, we're going to learn useful time words that native speakers use every day, such as today, tomorrow, next month, last year, now, and many more. If you want to speak English more naturally and understand time expressions easily, then this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Yesterday.
ម្សិលមិញ
Today.
ថ្ងៃនេះ
Tomorrow.
ថ្ងៃស្អែក
Now.
ឥឡូវ
Year.
ឆ្នាំ
Next year.
ឆ្នាំក្រោយ
Last year.
ឆ្នាំមុន
Month.
ខែ
Next month.
ខែក្រោយ
Last month.
ខែមុន
Later.
ពេលក្រោយ
Tonight.
យប់នេះ
Day.
ថ្ងៃ
Week.
សប្តាហ៍
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned many useful English time words today. Don't forget to practice these words every day so you can speak English more confidently and naturally. Strong books. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Flashlight.